Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you another one of MV's brand new long wigs. This is the Celeste wig in one of my all-time favorite colors ever. This is creamed coffee. I love this color. I reviewed Haley in this color, and I wanted to show how pretty it is in these longer styles too. It reminds me a little bit of like the copper glaze color from Noriko's line. It's just so pretty. Here, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. So as I mentioned in the review of Haley, Envy has two different light brown colors. One's kind of like a gold light brown, and the other one's kind of like a auburnish light brown. So the base color for cream coffee is actually the more auburn of the two, and then it has kind of like a blend of like a strawberry blonde and a gold blonde highlight on top. So very, very pretty color. Not too dark, not too light, not too gold, not too auburn. It's just very nice as far as I'm concerned. I love it. Oh, while I'm zoomed in, let me show you this mono top. It has a 100% hand-tied mono top. Much like the Amore line, it does not actually have a lace front. And you can tell that this is a rooted color. The root on that is kind of like a medium brown, but not quite. Just, oh, such a pretty color, such a pretty wig. I might actually keep this. I think this looks kind of awesome on me. But it's just really pretty. In my opinion, because I get asked, you know, what's the difference between Brooke, Celeste, and Sheena? And I think basically it's like if Brooke and Sheena had a baby, it would be the Celeste wig. Celeste is roughly the same length-ish as Brooke. It's 14 inches at the nape, so it's the shortest of the three, but only by an inch. The sides are 10 inches, so the layering is very comparable to the way that it is here at the bottom. It's very comparable to the way it is on Sheena. And I mean, it's very, very layered, just like Sheena is in the back. And towards the front, it's a little bit more like the Brooke, the way that it's kind of voluminous up in here. It does have a long bang that's meant to be swept off to the side. The bang on this is 5 inches. And it weighs 5.5 ounces, which again is kind of heavy for a synthetic wig of this length, but I mean, you just get a ton of hair, so it actually works out pretty well. I like the way this one lays. I think that it just looks very flattering on. I think that the fact that the layering towards the front ends right around the jaw level, I think that's so smart because it'll be very flattering on people with, you know, soft jaw lines, kind of like I do with my double chin here. But I mean, it's a universally flattering sort of thing. So kudos to Alan Eaton, who is the president of Envy and the chief stylist. I mean, this is a very beautiful wig. Like I said, I might just keep this one. It's kind of awesome. So I'm gonna turn to the sides so you can see what this looks like. Lots of layering here in the front, very, very flattering, like I mentioned. Let me push that back for you. And then here's the back. Moves really nicely. The hair fibers from the Envy line are very silky. They feel very, very nice. I really like the Envy hair fiber. This is a symmetrically cut wig, so you can part it any way you want. I just happen to kind of keep the part the way that it was right out of the box. It does come with the side part. I don't want to take this one off because I keep looking at myself in the monitor and I'm like, wow, this one looks so cute. So I need to stop like gushing over the way I look right now and just kind of take it off so I can show you what this wonderful cap construction looks like. I love the little strip of polyurethane here in the front. It helps the wig stay in place. So it also gives you a place to put adhesive tape if you want to put tape there. Single monofilament top. Very stretchy here in the back. Adjustable, kind of like a bra strap. And this one does not have an extended nape. I don't know if this one has any permatease. Let me check on that. go permatease hunting. Usually it's back here at the crown. No permatease on this wig, which will be a relief to people who don't like permatease. The mono top is very dense, which is kind of nice because it'll help keep the ravages of shedding at bay. Monotops tend to shed over time. Beautiful layering, just epic amounts of layering all over the back of this wig. Just so much. Look at that. Just lots and lots of layering. You could play with that for a while and really bring out the most in it, or you can just comb it out. And you can really see that color. I love this color. It's so beautiful and warm. It's just a lovely, lovely color. Especially if you're into those kind of like light brown shades that have that kind of dynamic highlighting. So pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back on. Nothing to it. So beautiful. I really, really like this one, so I'm really gonna have to give this one a thought. But even if I do keep this sample wig, that doesn't mean you can't buy it from my store, www.CysterWigs, CysterWigs.com. We call it that because we cater to women who have polycystic ovarian syndrome, so the cyst. We call ourselves sisters because you know, it's kind of a disfiguring disorder. You know, it gives you kind of like this rounded out moon face, gives you acne, which is why, I don't know if you've noticed, but on some of my more casual like how-to videos, I don't put all this makeup on. I actually like let the blemishes show. And I do that on purpose because, you know, that acne thing is really, really common. I'm in my mid-30s. So, I mean, that acne thing is super common and people keep telling you your whole life that you're gonna grow out of it. And, you know, I just want my sisters to know that that kind of thing's normal. Just like I don't mind showing my bald spots. I mean, that happens, you know, with the PCOS. So if you ever wonder why we call the site that, that's why. We cater to women who have PCOS related hair loss. But, you know, I sell to all kinds of wig consumers, regardless if that you have an illness or whatever that illness might be, or maybe you just like to change your hair color a lot. I mean, we get it both ways. We also get a lot of performers and stuff. So, I mean, if you have any questions, just shoot me an email. And otherwise, this has been the beautiful Celeste wig in the gorgeous cream coffee color by Envy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great night. Bye-bye.